this tutorial, I will show you how to customize a quick access toolbar in MS Word document. Now what is quick access toolbar? This section is a quick access toolbar. Here, by default, here are two buttons. One is undo and the second is redo. Undo and redo. Now if you want to add some more buttons here in this quick access toolbar, there are two methods to customize the quick access toolbar in MS Word. Let's do it. Go to File, here File, then go to Option. In Option there is a tab already present, Quick Access Toolbar. Click on the Quick Access Toolbar. Here, what you want to add and what you want to remove in Quick Access Toolbar. Like suppose I want to add the bullets. Bullets here. Select the bullets and click on Add. Now the bullet is added in the quick access toolbar. Now I want to add copy. Then click on Add. The copy will added in the quick access toolbar. Now I want to add something more like draw table. Click on Add button. This draw table is added in the quick access toolbar. Click on OK to save the settings. OK. Now look here, the quick access toolbar is customized. Here undo, redo, bullets. What this is, copy, Ctrl C copy, and draw a table. The second method is very quick and very easy. Click on this button. Like click on this button, customize quick access toolbar. Click on it. What you want to add in this quick access toolbar or what you want to remove from this quick access toolbar. Like suppose I want to add the save button. Click on this. The save button is automatically comes here. Now I want to add a new, open. The open button will be added in the quick access toolbar here. Now I want to remove this copy button from the quick access toolbar. How to remove? Click on this button and search here for copy. Here is not present, so we have to do it manually from Option. Go to File. In File, go to Option. In Option, go to Quick Access Toolbar. In Quick Access Toolbar, I want to remove the copy button from the Quick Access Toolbar. Click on Copy and here click the Remove button. The copy button is removed from the Quick Access. Now I want to remove the bullets. Click on Remove. I also want to remove the Open button. Select the Open and click on Remove. Then I also want to remove Draw table. Click on Remove. Now click on OK to save the setting. Click on OK. Now all the unnecessary things are removed from the quick access toolbar. If you want to add something more to quick access toolbar, then there are two methods again, one this point and one from the File and the Option button. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.